Hey, it's DIY with Tia. I'm so happy to have you here. This is the first video here, and please join me so we can rock our head wraps. We will be learning different types of DIYs, little DIYs you can easily do with your hands. All of you out there that are saying, oh my god, I can't use my hands, we're gonna use our hands, and trust me, you'll be able to do it. For the head wraps, let me talk about this one some more. If you have any style you want to rock with your head wrap, I'm here for you, and I have 1,000 ideas in my head, and I'm going to share them with you. We'll be creating head wraps and all of that, bringing new ideas and just making you look crazy, beautiful, calm, on fleek. Yes, that's my desire. I want to see people rocking this Ankara, and this is the target. Okay, this summer is going to be lit. I know it's Corona thing, but we need to still be happy. Can you see this head wrap? I don't know if I'm the only one appreciating this head wrap. I love it. I just saw, look, there's nothing serious. Don't think I used anything there. No, nothing. So we're going to learn this with you guys. This head wrap, if you love it, just go to tiaandtia.com. You get it there. It's beautiful. It's 100% cotton. You can see it. There's no story here. It's for you to see. Okay, just order. It's gonna be very affordable, and we'll come here. And if you tie your head wrap, guess what I want you to do? Just tag me on Tia and Tia. That's on Instagram. We would just be slaying, you know. I just want to see beautiful people. That's my, I just love to see people beautiful. I don't know if you do. Let's do this, and you can rock it with your casual, and you can still be very dressy. Just look at this. You can go to a wedding, and you can go to the beach with this one. I promise you, nobody will laugh at you at the beach with this. This is beautiful. I was out today. You don't want to know how many people were looking at me. I have your husband, you know. Guys, bye.